tonight, the U.S. Senate passes a $2 trillion relief package in response to the coronavirus pandemic. Shannon Lindley is live to explain what this means for you and what still needs to happen. Shannon.
Well, Reba, first and foremost, what this means is that families here in Virginia and around the nation are one step closer to receiving an extra several $1,000s to help during this difficult time. And it is all part of this $2 trillion stimulus package. The goal of this package is really to help workers and businesses that have been impacted by the coronavirus pandemic. Now, we know that negotiations went on for days, but finally last night, the Senate approved this bill. And among other things, what it does is it includes a one-time cash payment for most working Americans of up to $1,200 for individuals and $500 for children. It also contains nearly $400 billion in loans and grants to small businesses, and that is so that those businesses can keep workers on the payroll. And here's what some of our nation's leaders are saying about the bill. Take a listen.
This $2.2 trillion legislative package is bigger than anything I believe ever passed in Congress.
It will be worth it to save millions of small businesses and tens of millions of jobs. It will be worth it to see that Americans who have lost their jobs through no fault of their own will be able to pay their rent and mortgages and put food on the table.
Absolutely. Now, Virginia Senator Tim Kaine also made a statement after the bill was passed, saying on Twitter, quote, "I'm proud that Democrats pushed to get today's relief bill to a strong place. It's a big step in addressing this crisis. But we also know it won't cover everything. We're ready to keep working to tackle additional problems and provide more support for American workers and families." Now, Speaker Nancy Pelsoi says approval by unanimous consent is not going to happen. And she says because of the magnitude of this bill, she does want to see a good debate on the floor. And so the House is expected to convene at 9 a.m.